I'm going to teach you Brown Eyed Girl on my soprano ukulele. We're going to talk shapes and then we're going to talk frets. So we'll start with the shapes and the frets. So shape 1 is this, shape 2 is that. Frets are where we place our first finger. And then for picking in the right hand, we're pinching strings 1 and 2 with our thumb and finger, or you can play it like that. And then we're going to break it down to 3 sections. Section 1 is shape 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 on frets 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. So the counting is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Second section is frets 7, 9, 10, 9, 7, and that is shapes 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. And the counting is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So put those two together. And then the third part is this. So let's pick strings 1 and 2. And then on the second string only, it's fret 2, 3, 5. And then final, it's a G. Hey, where did we go? So let's play the whole thing together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4. Hey, where did we go? See ya.